In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add accounts to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks. Your chart of accounts is the master list that organizes everything your business earns, spends, owns, and owes. Adding the right accounts here keeps your reports accurate and your bookkeeping clear. Let's walk through creating a new account together. Start by opening QuickBooks and heading to the settings icon, the small gear in the upper right corner. This is your control center for company setup and lists. From the menu that opens, choose Chart of Accounts. Depending on your layout, you might see it under Bookkeeping or a similar section. Either way, you're looking for the Chart of Accounts list page. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, click New. This opens the form where you'll define the account you want to add. Think of this as giving QuickBooks the labels it needs so your transactions land in the right place. First, enter the account name. Use a clear, specific name that your team will recognize later. For example, instead of just supplies, you might use office supplies or shop supplies, depending on what you're tracking. Consistent naming helps avoid duplicates and makes reporting much easier down the line. Next, select the account type. This tells QuickBooks where the account belongs on your financial statements: assets, liabilities, equity, income, or expenses. Choosing the correct type is important because it affects how the account behaves and how it appears on reports. For many day-to-day costs, you'll pick expenses. As an example, if you're adding an expense category like software subscriptions, selecting expenses would be appropriate. If you're not sure which type fits best, think about whether the item is money you earn, money you spend, something you own, or something you owe. You can also add a description. This is optional but helpful for clarity. A short sentence about when or why you'll use the account can guide anyone else working in the books and can remind you of your intention months from now. Keep it concise and practical. When everything looks good, click Save. QuickBooks adds the new account to your chart of accounts list immediately. You'll be able to code transactions to it, include it in budgets, and see it reflected on your reports. If you notice a typo or want to refine the name later, you can edit the account from the list without recreating it. That's it. By following these steps, open settings, go to Chart of Accounts, create a new account, name it, choose the right type, add an optional description, and save. You'll keep your financial data organized and your reporting accurate.